Hi, hello, namaskaram. Today let's talk about mastering the Bullish Marubozu Candlestick Pattern. I have uh, given classes on the bearish side also. You can go through them also, but I would like to say this is one of the pattern. You can see here it is a very long candle. This is called bullish. Where if it is a red, this is called bearish. Basically, for the bullish one, the close is high on the top. For a bearish one, the close is at the low. So before going to the example, disclaimer, just read it once. Let's go. Candlestick, I mean, maybe I'll say consult your financial advisor if you're trying to make any financial decision. All the examples are specific to education purpose. Do your own due diligence and understand the risk before your investment. With respect to the candlesticks in this view, I would like to request you to go through many other videos which are or classes which are uploaded earlier, so go through them. And the definition of the bullish Marubozu is long solid body. It's a very long solid body. Maybe it's not like burning, but it's burning upwards. So let's come back to here. This is how the pattern looks like, and this is understanding the anatomy is the close and high are almost equal, open and low are almost equal in the bullish. In the bearish side, high and open are almost equal, low and close are equal. This is the anatomy, and this is another way to look at the bullish Marubozu, where you will see this one. Maybe there is a slight difference between the close and high, but there is open equal to high will happen. In the here also, open and low are very kind of sometimes in less than decimal percentages difference, and then close equal to high. These are the three kind of Marubozu possible. This is the same thing. Bullish, I think the same thing is explained in bullish and bearish, how bearish can also happen. So let's go. I think this is what it is. Bullish Marubozu is a long green candle, no upper wick, no lower wick. Sometimes it happens like that, but sometimes you will have a very lower wick kind of things. It is actually signaling a bullish sentiment across the market. So it is good that you some people actually say it's an operator candle also, but I will talk about operator candle. You need to understand an operator candle, you need a full chart and a trend, all those things, RSI, MACDs, but not go into that. Let's stick to the Marubozu. Bullish Marubozu is trading strategy. When informed in uptrend, look for accumulation. Higher volumes or breakout happens, then you should be very happy to enter into these kind of trades. Target is basically short term, at least the height of the candle. If it is like 5%, you have seen another 5%, you can see. Long term, you can see based on the other support and resistances, you can see, and the stop loss is basically the low of that candle is the stop loss. So identifying, we have discussed how you can identify here. This is the identification level. Then we will come how see. Let's think this is what let's go. Will not go fast. This is how it happened in a downtrend. This is how it is. It has open low has formed. I think this is like, by seeing itself, I feel like I should take this whatever is underlying stock, because it's falling from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and you have an open low at max. You will this is your stop loss. What's wrong? So you can still enter into this. Then it has moved up. So confirming the bullish Marubozu. Additionally, volume confirmation, momentum indicators, trend alignment. Here also, if you see, if I draw a trend line, it actually hits somewhere here. So if it is hitting somewhere here, then it is moving upwards. So trend line is also kind of supporting. So it is good. So let's go to the example here. Before going example, yeah, supporting indicator. So if you see here, this is a bullish Marubozu. So it is actually coming from the top. So maybe this one also can be considered. This one is also considered. It has moved up, but again, like it is moved down because it has what should I say? It has fallen. The stock has closed below the trend line. So that's the reason. Here, this is another kind of a bullish Marubozu. So you can see how things are happening. It has moved up here, and this is also one. So you should have this experience of looking at the candlesticks. This is very important. If you don't have an experience, join the courses. There are multiple courses I have done. So I always say to my students, I have invested almost like $100,000 only on courses and some tuition fees and other things. Based on that, I came with multiple courses. Go through the courses, description is given below. Consulting, if I have to say, I do consult also. Portfolio review is also there. Go through that. There are books which I've written, use them. Subscriptions, if you want me to review a portfolio on a monthly basis, you can find the subscription link to that. And WhatsApp and Telegram links are there. Please go and connect with me in those social media links. Use those social media links or handles. Okay, timing the entry, identify the confirmation, determine the entry point and set the stop losses. Here it is clearly a Marubozu, it has moved and it has been uptrend. So here also it has moved and it's like bullish Marubozu is found. It is clearly saying the trend is continuing. It is not like the trend. One, if it performs at the bottom, it's all good. If it is forms at here, it is saying the trend is continuing. And managing risk and implementation, stop loss and profit levels. Keep your stop losses intact. I have talked about stop losses earlier. The current candle's low will be the stop loss. Be a disciplined executor and take profits. Enough is a good word. That's what I say. Bullish Marubozu in different market condition, trending markets, consolidation, faces volatile markets. Incorporating the bullish Marubozu into your trading plan, monitor market condition, optimize entry signals and manage risk accordingly. Case studies, I would recommend you to practice as much as possible. This is one of the case, but I would still recommend until unless you so they say practice, there is no progress in your career. So whatever matter to say, practice as much as possible. Let's go. Common mistakes. Do not do over trading. Do not ignore risk management. Do not look at the patience. Patience is very important. Combining the bullish Marubozu with other candlestick patterns, this is also good. The probability increases and strategic combination really makes your trend very strong. So another thing I would like to say is importance of patience and discipline. Bullish Marubozu, you should have sometimes it will not break the low of the candle, but it will still continue. So sticking your strategy and consistent risk management is very, very important. If you are specifically doing it in a mid cap, then definitely your patience will be tested. Adapting the bullish Marubozu strategy with different asset classes, equities or commodities, cryptocurrencies. You can keep it anywhere. I can help you in multiple asset classes, trading and all those things. You can join the courses below. So looks like you have mastered this bullish Marubozu today. Thank you. Thanks for joining and have a good day. Thank you. Bye all.